Hey, hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel The Tech Viper. So today in this video we will see how to create team card animation using Figma. And before we start, I want you guys to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get notified with all the updates and videos. So without wasting time, let's see how to create this. So you can see we are inside the Figma project now. So first of all, we will click F on our keyboard and we will create a frame something like this. Perfect. Now by clicking on our keyboard and by holding shift, we will create a circle like this. Perfect. Now we will select both. We will go over here. We will go to Unsplash. If you don't have Unsplash intro, you can just search it over here by going over to plugins. So we have Unsplash over here, so we will click on it. Now let's go to portrait over here. From the search portrait, let's select this image. So we got this image. Now let's duplicate this one by holding option. Something like this. And let's select another image for it. Let's select this one. Perfect. Now let's duplicate this again by holding option, same way. And we can just change it with any image you want. Like I'm using something, this one. Perfect. Now let's close the. Now by going over here, it's in the prototype section. So I'm in the design section now. We will click on it. From here we will go to crop, and by holding shift we will just adjust the image for all. Perfect. Now close this one. Now let's select all three. Let's go to effect, click over it. Let's go to layer blur over here and give it a layer blur of 60. Perfect. Now let's put it inside an auto frame layout. Just click over here and it will be inside auto frame layout, or you can use shift plus A. So it's inside auto frame layout. Now right click on it and just go over frame selection. Perfect. Now just take it upward, something like this. Flip content and let's give it a radius of 20. Perfect. You can see something like this came over here. Now let's select all three. And again let's put it inside auto frame layout. Now I'm using shift plus A. So you can see it's inside auto frame layout. Let's change it to 40. This is the gap between all those. Yeah. And now in the same way we will select frame selection. We will take it over here and we will select clip content. Perfect. So we got this one. Let's say copy this by command plus C, as I'm using Mac, and let's select this frame and put it inside. Let's align it over here. By holding option, You can just check over here. I'm giving it 30. Perfect. Take it aside. You can delete it if you want to. Now I want a text, the name. So how we can do that? Just press T on our keyboard and let's write something like Amy Jackson. Let's press K on our keyboard and by holding shift increase the size a bit. Just check is it okay or not. You can just check it by holding space, clicking on it. You can just check it, is it okay? Yeah, it's something good. You can just adjust the size over here now by holding shift. Give it the size of something like this. Perfect. Now take it outside again, duplicate it 3 times. Done. So one we name it as Amy Jackson. Second, let's name it as Sam Curran. And last we name it as Peter Philip. Let's select all those and again we will put it inside auto frame layout. In same way we will select frame selection now. Clip content. Perfect. Now let's copy this one, paste it inside. Now also you can delete this one. In the same way I want what is that person designation or something. I want to write something like that, right? So that we can do the same way. We'll press T on our keyboard and we'll write something like product designer. Let's change it to regular and decrease its size to somewhat 20. Perfect. Let's duplicate 3 more times now. UI/UX designer. And the last one is front end developer. Perfect. In the same way we will select all those, put it inside auto frame layout and right click on it, go to frame selection and just click on clip content. Just copy it now, paste it inside, align it somewhat like that. Let's take it upward now. We will annihilate perfectly after a while. Now we need a button, contact button, right? So how we can do that? Just press T on our keyboard again and name it as contact. Let's change it, select it and change it to medium. And by selecting it, we will put it inside auto frame layout. Make it something like that. Give it radius of 8. We will click on over here and give it a fill. And we will change it to somewhat dark color. With an opacity of 80. Perfect. Simply we will copy this one, select this frame, paste it over here. Yeah, just it over here. Now let's select all 3. Go over here, more actions, and you can select distribute vertical spacing. It will get distributed equally. And now you can just see it's in the middle or not. And you can just give it something like that. Perfect. Now let's duplicate this one, the whole frame. Another time. Perfect. Now what we need to do, select this one, click on it again. See, we selected, got this frame now. Now by holding space, clicking on it and holding space, just drag it upward. The same way we're going to do this one. See, now by clicking on it and holding space, something like that. Same for this one. Okay, before we do that, same we need to do for this one. Clicking on it and holding space. Same for this one. Perfect. Same we will do for this one. Always check it should be aligned in the center. Now let's select this one, double click on it, same way, drag it over here. Perfect. Same for this one. And same for this one. Perfect. So we got these 3 cards. Now let's go to prototype over here. Select this one and connect with this one. From on click we will just select on drag, and you can see the setting over here. It's Smart Animate. We will use custom Bezier, and we will just, its setting will be something like that. Same from here, we will connect this one, change it to on drag, and with the same setting. Now if we just click on prototype, you will get something like this. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do share with your friends, and as I told you, guys need to subscribe if you are loving my videos. And till then, take care. I will see you in the next video.